Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe's Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into this photo here. On the left, this is the original on the left. On the right was a finished product done by the poster hanging up on their wall. And they wanted the left one to look more like the right one. So let's give it a try. Okay, so if what I see right off the bat here is that the left one simply mostly just has the wrong color correction. So the color correction is, you can see the blues. It was probably, oh gosh, early dawn where there's going to be less red light. So let's go ahead and go to Enhance, Lighting, and I'm sorry, Color. And this is going to be interesting because I'm going to actually go to Color Tone, Adjust Color for Skin Tone. Even though it says skin tone, it doesn't mean it just means skin. You can like literally pick a pure white or what you think is white and it'll adjust it for you. So I'm going to pick this little white here, and right off the bat that changed the whole color tone of the temperature of the whole piece, and it looks already more similar to the picture on the right. We can take the blush or the temperature and adjust that slightly. Actually, I didn't want the green. The blush, we want to take the greens out basically. So do whatever it takes to take the green out. So I'm going to add blush, and I'm going to take the tan and try it one way, try it the other way, and I think I like it like this, right around there. And I'm going to hit OK. So right off the bat, that helped take the blues and the greens out. And now we got just the yellows that we have to deal with. Let's go ahead and play with the contrast. So we'll go to Enhance, Lighting, Brightness, Contrast, and we can heighten the contrast up to match the one on the right. I don't look at the bars, I look at the photo, and I go down and up and down and up until I'm satisfied that it looks close to the one on the right. And that's right around there. And I can take my brightness and maybe just bring it down just a tad to bring more features out from up here so it matches this one more. And I like that right around there. It looks pretty good. And that automatically contrast up and brightness down brought out more colors of the plants themselves. And now the flowers actually seem to really match. And finally, let's see, this one is sharper, so let's go ahead and take that and go to Enhance and do Auto Sharpen. We did that, and that pretty much did the trick. We're pretty darn close to the look from the left to the right. Beyond that, you'd have to take it into a different program to do really, really fine details, or split it apart into different parts. So anyway, this is Rich calling it quits for this little tutorial. We're calling it over and out. Bye.